welcome to another MacBoy Productions tutorial brought to you by me! And today we're going to be looking at Motion 3 from Apple's Final Cut. Let's go ahead and launch Motion. Now when you start at Motion, you're going to get a window or two different windows that look something like this. Right off the bat, you can notice that in the middle you have this little black square which is called your canvas. Now let's start by looking over to our left hand side where you have three different windows: your file browser, your library, and your inspector. Let's start with the file browser. This is a simple browser that lets you look around on your hard drive for files that you would want to import into your canvas. These files may include images, photos, or any other types of files that can be edited and used in your project. In your file browser, on the top left you have a small window which is called a preview window that lets you preview any file that you have selected in your file browser, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Below that you have the path of the file. So let's say I go to my desktop or my documents, and it'll let me go wherever I need to go. Also, you have a back and forward button which lets you go to the previous file or the next file. And beside the path you have the thumbnail view and the list view, which will put your files in that folder in list or thumbnail view. Below that you have a search bar where you can search for files and folders on your hard drive or in that folder that you have specified. Below the search bar you have your different folders on your hard drive. You have my hard drive, home, net, network, desktop, and a bunch of other things. Below this you have your individual files within the folder that you have selected. Now to give you guys an example, I will import a small video clip or an image into my canvas. Now let's select this. On the top left you can see that the video starts to play. This is a video of a car going by really fast on a bridge over water. You can pause it and you can change the audio levels, and you can also click import. Now above this you have a few facts about the video. It'll tell you the type of file, the size, the length, and the frames per second, and the colors, which is obviously millions of colors. Let's click import. It will bring the file directly into your canvas and will show you how it looks. Now you can see the white lines around the file. This means that you have selected it. Here you can resize your file simply by clicking and dragging the different circles. In the middle you have the X, which you can just click and move around the file, and beside that you have the little circle which you can use to rotate the file. Below that you have a few options of your video. Here you can see that this is the playhead, which you can just move around to view the different frames in your video. It looks a little something like this. This is your video, which you can also move around to start and finish at different points in times. And over here you have your play, pause, and other options. On the left you have the record button, which we will get to in a different tutorial for MacBoy Productions. You have the start from beginning button and then the end button. You have the play from beginning button, which will play from beginning every time you click it. You have the play button, then the pause button, then the loop playback button, which means when the video is finished, it will start to play back again. This is your go to previous frame. This is go to your next frame button, which you can click to do that. And this is your mute audio and unmute audio button. Okay, so that is how the file browser and the canvas works. Now we will get to the library and inspector in a different tutorial. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This has been MacBoy Productions. If you liked this tutorial, if it helped you out, please make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.